and here we are back with a little bit more of the too long for the vlog series, I guess we're going with now. Germany just had so many good sites and places that we went to, but I couldn't fit everything into like the vlog to tell the story that I was looking for appropriately. And again, this is the third video in this series now. Now this is day 2 in Germany. We're at Nürnberg at Weißgerbergasse, I think that's how you say it. I'll definitely throw the name down here so that you could read it. But yeah, Lynn did a walk around of the tower that was there, as well as the little downtown area. I don't know what you want to call this street. I think downtown's the most appropriate, but she did a little walk in that area and it looked really cool. So let's go ahead and get into it.
Drove inside the motor area. Pretty cool. Alright, so we've made it to, I guess, part of the old town. And we had to drive in through Castle Gate type of dealio, which was kind of cool. It's a touch too early. Yeah. This area doesn't seem to be awake yet, but we are in the heart of Nuremberg, it seems. We had to drive through Castle Gate, which was pretty cool. And, ooh, this is what it looks like here. Mom, did Charlie say turn right or turn left? Why are we going left? Which right? Oh wow. That looks pretty cool. Pretty cool. We'll check in a bit once we figure out what direction we're going. This is pretty cool. Yes, give me just a moment, Mom. So, to enter that really cool little downtown area, we had to enter through here. top part of the wall up here. Check it out. So 33 steps. Huh. Quite nice. Pretty good. As you can see, there is a wall. It expands around the entirety of this area. Oh dear. There that goes. What's over here? Well, there's the road over there. And what's we got going? There's a workout tower? Yeah, something like it. It just keeps going out and around. Cool. Why would this be here if not to explore? Why did you stop recording in the middle? That's annoying. Alright. These steps are narrow. Back to my shoes are scraping against them. Alright. So, oops. How'd that happen? Well, that's the entrance to the battle mine, so to speak, or at least the wall. So, there you go.